In this video, I will show you how to add an assistant to the Call Agent AI backend system. Once you've signed in to your Call Agent AI account, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Assistants tab. Click on it to open the Assistants Management page. Next, look towards the top right corner of the Assistants page. You should see the Add Assistant button. Click this to start creating a new assistant for your system. Once you've clicked Add Assistant, the system will direct you to the configuration screen. Here, you'll be prompted to start setting up your assistant. The first step is to give your assistant a name. This is how you'll identify this assistant later, so make sure it's something clear and specific. Enter the name in the Name field. After naming your assistant, scroll down and you'll find the Custom Greeting section. This is where you can set the initial greeting or opening spiel for your assistant. The custom greeting is what callers will hear when they reach your assistant. In the Phone Number field, enter the phone number you want your assistant to be assigned to. This will be the number where the assistant answers incoming calls and handles customer interactions. A phone number will be assigned to you by a Call Agent AI specialist. Alternatively, if you already have a phone number from Twilio, you can easily integrate that number here. Simply enter the Twilio phone number in this field. Once you've entered the phone number, the next step is to validate it. On the same screen, you'll see a Validate Number button. Click this button to confirm that the phone number is valid. After clicking Validate Number, you should see a message that says, "Number validated successfully." This means the system has successfully linked the phone number to your assistant and it's ready to handle calls. The next step is to save your configuration. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Submit button. This will save all the configurations you've just made. After submitting, you can click on the Activate button to activate your assistant. This action will officially activate your assistant, allowing it to start handling incoming calls. And this is how to add an assistant to the Call Agent AI backend system. Thanks for watching.